Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again and tap on other security settings, and here we've got whole credential storage section, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So all you have to do is simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, if you want to remove all certificates. So if you are ready, just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, this option is inactive. You cannot do it again. So it means that we just successfully removed credentials. So actually, that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.